Hello friends, welcome back to my new repaint video. It seems a little while since my last video, but I'm back for more videos. June is considered as Pride Month, and for the support of LGBT community, my friend Kyros Workshop organized this collab, and I'm so much happy to be a part of this collab because there are so many amazing doll artists from YouTube and from Instagram are here in this collab, and I'm so much happy to be a part of this collab. So for my doll, I'm using Claudine Wolf as a base, and I'm so much inspired by RuPaul, and I'm also so much inspired by high fashion looks and creamy peachy tones, so I definitely wanted to add them in my doll. So without further ado, let's get start this video. So first of all, I'm taking my sharp scissor and starting cutting the doll original hair. Then I'm just tagging off the doll head, but sadly the neck peg was being damaged. But later on I just have to hot glue it. Then I'm just removing the doll hair from the inside. And with the help of sharp scissors, I just remove all of the icky glue hair from the inside. And now I'm just taking my sharp X-Acto knife and starting removing the doll ears. And I'm just saving them for my next project. And now I'm just taking some fabric, and I'm also using pure acetone to remove the doll original factory paint. So now when I have some clean canvas, now I just take some acrylic yarn and some dark brown and cream color, and I'm just cutting them in the right size which I want for them. And now I'm just unraveling them all. Now I'm just taking my rerouting tool and starting rerouting the doll hair. So I plug yarn in each hole of the doll hair, and I'm rerouting it very thickly. I also make one of her eye, that how I wanted to make her eye, but later on I can remove it using pure acetone. I think that the rerouting is very time consuming part in doll customization, but I think that the result came out very well. And when the rerouting process is done, now I just have to work on her face, which is my favorite part in doll customization. So first of all, I give it 2 to 3 coats of liquitex matte varnish, and now I just starting working on the doll face up. So this time I wanted to make the doll eyes look very different than my usual style. So I wanted to make it look very long and look very smoky. I wanted to add a lot of black and brown shadows to doll eyes to make the doll eyes look very smoky. And I'm also giving her very arched eyebrows. dark browns and light browns colors, and I'm starting contouring the doll nose, and I'm also contouring the doll cheekbones. Now I also added some tape to the doll eyes, and now I just have to work on her eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, I take some light browns, dark browns, peach colors, and also black to smoke the doll eyes very well. So I'm just building layers again and again to make the colors opaque and vibrant, and also to make the eyeshadow look very beautiful and smoky. Tape from the doll face, and I just add the tape again and starting contouring the doll face. I'm not adding a lot of contouring, but I'm adding the drag look to my doll. So now I'm just switching to acrylic paints, and I also add some color to the doll brow bones, and I also add the color to the doll eyes. So now I'm just giving it a wing liner. I'm also giving her some brown eyes. So now I'm just adding a little bit of more details to the doll eyes, some light orange and some light brown color to the doll eyes, and I'm also working on her lips, and at last I give it some eye shines and gloss her eyes and lips, and the doll face up is done. Now I'm just taking acrylic paint and starting painting the doll nails, and at last when the paints are fully dried, then I give it some coat of liquitex high gloss varnish to make it shine. And now I'm just taking some makeup brush and starting making some curls in the doll hair. And actually this outfit is made by me, but it was a long process and it was too much hard to make because I'm not a professional at doll making outfits, and my grandmom was so much depressed by my aunt's death so I can't tell to her to make an outfit for my pastel. So I made this simple outfit for my pastel, and I didn't choose a very hard and a very difficult that it was all because of my aunt and because my aunt makes very and she so and added a lot of colors and I love it so much. I just want to make it for her. I can't say nothing about her because she was my best friend and she was so perfect. So now I just add a lot of colors to the front part and back part of the I think that the curls are looking so much perfect and I love it so much.